Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best manual travel toothbrushes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Oral-B Pro Health Clinical Battery Toothbrush. The Oral-B Pro Health Clinical Battery Powered Toothbrush was created to give you a dentist-inspired cleaning. This toothbrush gives you a quality tooth-by-tooth cleaning while its bristles reach deeply to remove plaque in hard-to-reach places. 2 AA batteries give you consistent performance even as you change the toothbrush heads. The toothbrush is 9.4 inches long, so while it's not the most compact, it can still fit in your toiletry bag when you're ready to travel. The Oral-B brand is the #1 dentist-recommended brand in the world, so you know you're getting a good travel toothbrush when you buy the Oral-B Pro Health Clinical Battery Powered Toothbrush. Number 2. Our second best pick is Radius Tour Travel Toothbrush. This USA-made toothbrush has a handful of features which make it the best travel toothbrush. The design is ideal for travelers because it jackknifes, so when you're not using it the head folds safely inside the handle. Eco-conscious travelers absolutely love the Radius Tour Travel Toothbrush because the handle is made from 100% wood-based bioplastic and the heads are replaceable, so you don't have to buy a whole new toothbrush once the bristles wear out. The toothbrush is 3 inches by 2.2 inches by 9 inches and comes in a pack of 3 or 6, so they're perfect if you're taking a group camping trip or taking the kids to Vegas. The Radius Tour Travel Toothbrush is a sleek and compact toothbrush which is ideal when you're on the go. Number 3. Our third best pick is Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Electric Toothbrush. When it comes to the greatest portable electric toothbrushes on the market, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Electric Toothbrush will always make the list. The powerful sonic technology can remove 7 times more plaque than manual toothbrushes and has the ability to brighten your smile in only 1 week and improve the health of your gums in only 2. It has 5 different modes so you can customize your brushing based on your needs. The toothbrush has a 2-minute timer which beeps in 30-second increments to make sure you brush each section of your mouth. For a bright and healthy smile while you're globetrotting, consider the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Electric Toothbrush. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush. The Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush is the absolute best on-the-go toothbrush on the market. These toothbrushes are pre-pasted and don't require water or rinsing. They're single-use and disposable, so they're perfect if you enjoy extended hikes or traveling somewhere where the water may not be safe. The built-in freshening toothpaste bead dissolves as you use it, and there's a soft pick at the base of the toothbrush to help you reach food particles you may have missed while brushing. The package includes 24 toothbrushes, and the bag only measures 6.3 inches by 4.3 inches, so it can easily be stashed in everything from a purse to a hiking backpack, without taking up too much space. For a toothbrush you can use anytime and anywhere, go with the Colgate Max Fresh Wisp Disposable Mini Toothbrush. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lignite Folding Travel Toothbrush. The Lignite Folding Travel Toothbrush is specifically designed for effective cleaning, gentle gum protection, and plaque removal while you're on the road. It's a regular size brush at 7 3/4 inches long, but folds down to 4.5 inches to make it easy to travel with. The toothbrush head folds into the handle, so the bristles stay protected and don't get dirty even while the brush is moving around in your bag. You can get this toothbrush in packs of 2 or 3, so if you travel often you can keep one in your larger luggage for longer trips and another in your smaller carry-on bag for weekend getaways. The Lignite Folding Travel Toothbrush is a great folding toothbrush to take with you on all of your future trips. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.